Yes, good morning all of you. I am going to explain you question number 5. It is written here, solution of 5, chapter GST from DK Goyal book. Now we have here the first transaction is given. Before the transaction, the information is given in the question that the state of Bihar, that business is going within the state of Bihar, and GST and CGSTs are given 9%. So we will write for our, here we will write your 9%, that is of your CGST and your SGST. This is the information we have given. So wherever CGST and SGST we will use, that we will use 9%. Now the first, bought from, that is bought goods from Nanak Brothers for 4 lakh rupees at the 10% trade discount, 3% cash discount on purchase price, 25% of the amount paid at the time of purchase. So first of all, we will write that purchase working note we will start with. So it is first number. So here I am going to write working note. So WORKING working NOTE note. First of all, we have to say this thing only. Then we will go for. So first entry, it is what? The price. What is purchase? It is what we have purchased. So good purchase from Nanak. So we will write here, that is of your goods, PURCHASE purchase from NANAK Nanak, that is of cost of your 4 lakh rupees. So it is your 4 lakh rupees we have purchased. It is clear? Once we have purchased the good, automatically we have to reduce the trade discount from here. So here we will write less your, how much trade discount is given? It is 10%. So at the rate of 10%, we will write it in short, छोटे में लिख लेते हैं, trade discount, that is of your 40,000. 4 लाख का trade discount 10%, 40,000. So ये आपके पास आ गया 3 lakhs. It will be of your 3 lakhs 60,000 का actual purchase हो गया हमारे पास. ACTUAL actual, PURCHASE actual purchase हो गया हमारे पास 360 का. अब आप देखिए, अगर if you have purchased for 3,60,000, then you have to pay 9% CGST on that and 9% SGST on that. So in that way, you have to add here, that is of your 9% your CGST, 9% you have to add CGST and again plus, that is of your 9% SGST. It is what? It is input. Both points are input, SGST and C, because it is purchase. So we will write the common input here. INPUT, common input I have written here. So 36 9. So 9 6 are 54, and again it will be 54 ka 4, 5 will be there, or 9 3 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So it will 32400. So this will be of your 32,400. Again this will be of your 32,400. So the total I am going to shift over there. So it will be your 64,800, and your amount will come, if you will add it, it will be your 800 this side, 4 will become here, 6 to 12, 1, 424,800 amount. This amount is payable for us after purchasing the goods of 3,60,000 including GST inputs. It will be your 4,24,800, this much. So this, out of this, so I am going to write this amount at the center. This 4,24,800. From this you have 25% cash paid. 25% you are purchasing on. This is cash purchase, PURCHASE purchase. 25% आप कैश परचेज पे कर रहे हैं. If you are going to purchase 25% on cash, so it will be 25% of this. That amount will be of your AMOUNT amount will be 25 multiplied by 8, 200, 0, 2, 25, 400, then 2, then it will be 25, 106,200 I think it will be. We will calculate it and write it. So it is 10620. This is your 1,06,200. How I calculated? It is 248, 25% obviously 00 multiply by 25 upon 100. तो बेटा जी देखिए अगर इसको ऐसे काट दिया तो 4 आ गया, सो 4 1 जा 4, अगेन 24, सो 4 0 will be here both, 4 6 जा 24, 4 2 जा 8, again 2 0, so you can see 106 200. I have calculated like this, so it is easy to calculate. Now you can see here 25% is here, that means your 75% on CRE on credit, CREDIT credit purchase. So we will subtract 25 from this, so subtraction it will be your 600, then 4 6 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, that will be of 8, and 1 is on that side, that is 1 and 3. It will be your approximately 31860. It is clear? This amount we are purchasing on credit. Now from this cash purchase, obviously there will be a cash discount, because it is written in our statement that we have 3% cash discount. So it is what? Less 3% cash discount. So 3% cash discount means 20 will remove, only 3 multiplied by 3, 2 times is equals to 6. Clear? And 3 6 times is equals to 18 1, and 3 0 0 1. It will be your 18313. So 31 186 will be there. It is clear? This is the discount amount. This is your 318 will be of your DISCOUNT discount amount. So we will subtract this amount. So obviously your cash payment or payment PAYA DLE payable, how much payable, we will subtract it. So 10 6 4 9 1 8, 1 is left, so 0 will be here, 3 will come here, 0 will be here, and 1. So this amount you are going to pay, 103014 you will have to pay. Payable amount is this. It is clear? This is your payable, this is discount, and this is your PAID paid amount, you can write insist of payable. Now this is the working note. From this working note we have to pass the entries. We have to pass the entry in this our journal. So before passing the entry, we will highlight the important, that is this we have to mention, because this is what, this is our actual purchase, and this CGST and SGST we have to mention in our journal, because these are the taxes, CGST and SGST, and after that this amount we are paying, and this amount we are getting discount and payment, and this is on credit. So how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 are there. So I am going to make entry here, you can see here, and the entry will be of your, that is of your purchase. First of all, it is written in question, point number 1, nothing else is given, so we will write here first number. So you can write here PURCHA as the purchase account, that is of your debited. How much purchase you have done? Purchase is of your 3,60,000. So purchase is of your 3,60,000 purchased here. Now in this purchase there will be a INPUT input, CGST at the rate 9%. So this is also a debit part input from there, you can see, that is of your 32400. Now again you have INPUT input SGST at the rate 9%. This is also your debit amount, and this is of your 32400. It is clear? This is your debit. But the purchase, how much you have paid in cash? So from that corner you can see that to cash. How much you have paid? Cash account से कितना दिया बेटा आपने? Cash account you have given 1,03,014. It is clear? Then you can see always cash. If there is a discount entry, always discount entry come with the cash. So here we will write discount, DISCOUNT discount. अब आप पैसा पेड कर रहे हैं तो डिस्काउंट रिसीव होना चाहिए या डिस्काउंट पेड अलाउड होना चाहिए? डिस्काउंट रिसीव होना चाहिए, बिकॉज हम पैसे दे रहे हैं. सो RECEIBD received account. Sorry. How much received we have? Discount received is 3186. That is of your 3,186 rupees. We have received the discount with creditor. किससे? क्योंकि इतना अमाउंट तो हम क्रेडिट पे खरीद के ला रहे हैं, इतना परचेज हमारा क्रेडिट पर है, और क्रेडिट किससे ले रहे हैं हम? नानक ब्रदर्स से. सो हियर वी विल राइट टू नानक NANAK नानक ब्रदर्स BRO एज अकाउंट. नानक ब्रदर्स से हम कितना लेके आ रहे हैं क्रेडिट पर? दैट इज ऑफ योर 3,80,000 18,600. This is our first entry, and here you can write goods, purchase goods, PURCHASE, purchase goods on how much trade discount? We will write it from here. That is of your 10% TD, comma 3% CD, comma on 20 comma on 25% CASH cash, PURCHASE, purchase from FROM, from Nanak, NANAK, Nanak Brothers, BROS Brothers. So after this entry will be very clear to everyone. After reading this, purchase goods खरीदा, 10% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट पे खरीदा, 3% कैश डिस्काउंट पे खरीदा, और वो कैश डिस्काउंट मिला 25% कैश परचेज के ऊपर. इसका मतलब 75% क्या है? क्रेडिट परचेज, और 75% क्रेडिट परचेज किसके नाम पर है? नानक ब्रदर के नाम पर है. ये 25% योर क्रेडिट परचेज. सो फर्स्ट explanation, working note, you can see this side, and the first entry I have recorded here. So the next entry I am going to make you in next video. You just note it down, then we will go for a next video here. You can see it once.